everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you doing? Please do subscribe and please help me grow. Your one subscribe means a lot, like a lot to me. So please consider subscribing to my channel. So you have already read by the title that this is going to be a haul video. आप लोगों को हॉल देखना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है और मुझे हॉल बनाना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, तो फिर से एक हॉल लेके आ गए हैं. सो यू हैव ऑलरेडी रेड बाय द टाइटल दैट दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अमेजोन हॉल. तो अमेजोन में चल रहा है ग्रेट इंडियन फेस्टिवल सेल और बहुत अमेजिंग डील्स है. तो आप लोग लेट ना करें, जल्दी से जाइए, जो भी लेना है जल्दी चेक कीजिए क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा ऑफ चल रहा है अमेजोन पे. और मैंने भी बहुत सारे शॉपिंग किए हैं. सारे प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने सेल में नहीं लिया है. सेल में जो प्रोडक्ट्स लिए उनमें से कोई भी अभी तक नहीं पहुंच पाया. सो आई थिंक आज तक ऐसा बोला गया कि इट विल रीच टुडे. सो अगर पहुंच जाता है तो आई विल ऐड क्लिप्स एट द एंड जो पहुंचता है. बट बिफोर दिस सेल मैंने सेल से पहले ही बहुत ज़्यादा शॉपिंग किया फिर से अमेज़ॉन से. मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें लेने थे. सो उसी का हॉल है. उन सब का प्राइस ड्रॉप हुआ है थोड़ा. मैंने जो चेक किया है. तो लेट नहीं करते हैं, शुरू करते हैं ये वाला वीडियो. ओके, सो मैं स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ. सो द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू इज दिस इज अ आईब्रो रेजर और शेवर और शेपर, whatever you say. These are the or trimmer, say anything you want to. So like so many people use this to shave their faces. I really wanted to buy this. This comes in a set of 3 and this retail for 169. Even I saw like this set of 3 in rupees 42. I don't know which one is the best. I don't know if the 42 one is the best or this one is the best, but I really like this. So if you guys can tell, I have shaved my brows. So today I have put nothing on my face, no makeup, just my lipstick. So yes, I shaved my eyebrows. I didn't shave my face. I don't know if I will be shaving my face or not, but yes, I got this. This comes like this in the shade of 3. It's a blue, one a pink and a yellow, and they have like these plastic covers which like cover them, and it has like a stainless steel blade at the end. सो अभी तो पार्लर में जाके आईब्रो शेव करना पॉसिबल नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो वी हैव टू सो आई गॉट दिस टू शेव माई ब्रोज क्योंकि बहुत गंदा हालत हो गया था आईब्रोज का. एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. बहुत ज़्यादा हार्श नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा स्मूथ भी नहीं है, बट ठीक ठाक है. इट विल डू योर वर्क. So yes, this is what I got. This is the first product, and the price. It retails for rupees 169. Yes, I already said that it retails for rupees 169. And also, so now comes the next product. So I got masks, and I got set of 10 masks. These are printed masks which are from Jaipur, I think so, as they said that these are Jaipuri masks. And I really like the prints. Like look at the print, they are so good. We already watched it when this arrived because it's the matter of safety and hygiene. So look at the prints. I really like the prints. I am very excited to try these masks with same colored outfit. Like masks are so in fashion now, so I had to get hand on this. The prints are so good. Like look at this one, the colors, like everything is so good. And this retail for 300 something, I don't remember. I will put the price on the screen, and also all the products will be linked on my description. So if you are interested to buy any of the products, you can go to the description. And also this video is not sponsored by Amazon. Nobody is sponsoring me now. So yes, these are the masks. I really liked it. These are so cool. Like 10 pieces of printed masks for 300 something is good, like 35 to 36 rupees for each mask. And these are 2-layered masks. So yes, this is what we got. Now comes our third product. So third product is from Miniso. So Miniso is also available on Amazon. Miniso is a made in China brand, but I wanted a thing, like I didn't wanted to buy something from Miniso. I wanted a mirror. So like this is the mirror, and I really like the quality of this mirror, and this retailed for rupees 500. So this mirror has two sides. One is a 2x, like it doubles the view, it doubles your view, like your face looks very bigger. So if you're doing very minor things like doing your eyebrow or something like that, this mirror will be very helpful. And then on the other side, it's a normal side, you can see your face normally. I do my makeup and also I wanted a mirror like this. And so let's jump to our fourth product. So I have this set of two cute jars. These are the Mason jars, and I am really using this product so much. I am drinking like more water to drink in this. These are the Mason jar set. They come in a set like two, you don't have to buy them separately. And the prices were so low. I think it retailed for something, Mason jar, so yes, it retailed for $2.59 for a set, so they are cheap. And they comes with a straw as well, so I really like this Mason jars, so cutie. The quality of these Mason jars are very good, and luckily it didn't broke during the time of shipping. Glass is strong and thick, so I think they have a less chance of breaking. So coming to our fifth product, I have this I bought this beautiful cage. Like these are the tea light holders, tea light candle holders, and I wanted a tea light candle holder, and this looked so perfect, so beautiful. It is in golden. I think it was only in golden, it was not available in silver. I will put the link, you can check them out. So I really wanted this because I wanted to decorate my work table a little bit, so that when I work I don't feel like bored, and so I wanted to decorate it. So I bought this for this. So I will not be putting tea light inside. I will tell you what I will be going to do, but before, I don't remember the price of this. I will be putting the price on the screen. These are really good. The quality is good, but कहीं कहीं जगह पे already काले पड़ गए हैं. Okay, I know that it will rust after a time, but okay, I didn't return it because रखना था, और रिटर्न का झमेला ना मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं. So I kept this. So I said you that I will put something inside that tea light holder. So this is what it is. It's a what we call fairy light. So you are seeing a fairy light at my back, and this fairy light is, oh my god, it's so bright. Like if you light up, it actually brightens your room, and it feels so good. That the fairy light is so good, but it is electrical operated. So I wanted a tea light which is not electrical operated, like it's battery. So this is the tea light which is battery operated. So it comes with something like this, and it has a battery inside. So this comes with two round batteries like this, and once your batteries gets over, you can recharge it. I loved it. I freaking loved this. So here is a switch. When you turn them on, they light up like this. How cute it is. Rose gold plated wires, and the lights are very teeny, so they don't like brighten up your room so much. They are okay-ish type lighting. The lights are very dim, but I really like it. So I will show you when I put it inside the tea light. They look so beautiful. Let me show you. Looks so beautiful. I mean, look at this. So I actually bought this, like I planned this to put in my table, in my work table, so that sometimes I feel like not working anymore, so that I can light this up and feel better. You know what I mean. And the fairy light retail for ₹189. Let's jump to, I have left with two more products which are currently available with me. I have lost count which number of product it is. So the seventh product is this. So now you will think, what is this? This is just a box. No, this is a lens holder. So it's a Innovera level I can travel contact lens case box. This is a contact lens case box. I'm not fancy with my names. So yes, if you guys can see that I'm currently wearing a lens. So my lens is from Olens, and I recently started wearing lens. Like sometimes I do wear, and I like to wear lens. So for that I need to get a case. So this case is very beautiful. It comes with a mirror here, and also it has like this tweezer or something to pick your to pick your lenses, and it has a solution bottle. This is very travel friendly. I'm going to travel very soon, so it will be very handy for me. Also it has a mirror, so I don't need to like carry a bigger mirror to do my makeup and all. Very good. And then it has like this applicator with which you can apply, and then this comes with like this actual lens case where it is mentioned that this is right and this is left. Very beautiful. Like this is in the rose gold. I really like the color so freaking much. It's rose gold and here it is in silver, and this is also made in India, so yes. And this retailed for rupees 251 only. Like this beautiful case is for 251 only. Now coming to the last product which is available with me is Meet Lucas. So this is a plant. It's an artificial plant, not a real one. I really wanted to buy a real plant, but I want to keep this on my work table. So I don't want like a real plant because पानी डालने का अलग झमेला, और मेरे टेबल में पानी वगैरह गिर गया तो मेरा पीसी खराब हो जाएगा. So I wanted something which looks like real plant. So this looks almost like a real plant. When I opened the box and my father was sitting there and he said, oh my god, is this a real plant? And I said, no, this is an artificial one. It's so beautiful. Like it has a wooden case and then it has a plant. I think they have given thermocol inside, and like ऐसे एक plant को ऐसे they have like fixed it inside. So this is the plant and it retailed for rupees 365, and its price is 365. Very reasonable, and I really liked it. It looks super when kept in a table. Like you can keep it anywhere you want. This is very beautiful, and yes, I loved it so much. So I have completed all the things that are available with me. I think the product I ordered during the sale will reach by today. I really pray that they reach by today. Upload this video tomorrow, that is Sunday, which the day you will be seeing this video. So if they reach by today, I will put the clips. I got like 4 to 5 products from the sale, and the first product is a butterfly vegetable chopper. I will put the picture here.
प्रोडक्ट्स अभी पहुंच गए हैं. ये है प्रीमियम वेजिटेबल चॉपर, 600 ml का है. कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. ये बटरफ्लाई ऊपर में सैनिटाइजर लगा हुआ है. तो ये ऐसे इसको ऐसे खींचना होता है. मैं एक हाथ से वीडियो बना रही हूँ तो खींचने में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, तो उसको ऐसे खींचने से वो चॉप हो जाता है. और यस, ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है अंदर से.
So I got another vegetable chopper from the brand Pigeon. Pigeon is.
और एक जो है वो है ये वाला. ये है पिजियन का हैंडी चॉपर मिनी. इसका क्वांटिटी तो नहीं लिखा हुआ है, कितना क्वांटिटी इसमें डाल सकते हैं, पर ये ऐसा दिखता है. इसको यहाँ से खींचने से ये चॉप हो जाता है, और अंदर कुछ ऐसे ब्लू कलर का दिख रहा है. बहुत सुंदर सुंदर लग रहा है.
Now the next product I got from there is a Digitech mini tripod.
जो आया है अभी रिसीव हुआ मेरे को, वो है ये मिनी ट्राइपॉड. डिजिटेक का पोर्टेबल मिनी ट्राइपॉड विथ 3 लेग बेस. ये रहा वो ट्राइपॉड. तो इसको ऐसे खोलते हैं. ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है खोलने के बाद. ये ऐसा दिख रहा है. एंड इसको आप बड़ा भी कर सकते हैं, इसका लेग का साइज, और इसका मुंडी सीधा भी कर सकते हैं. और ये अलग से मतलब उसके साथ ही था, तो इसको मैंने लगाया है. दिस इज द डिस्क एंड दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. बहुत हैंडी है. व्लॉगिंग के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इजी होने वाला है.
And now the next product, it's a Solimo chopping board. So I wanted to buy a chopping board, and Solimo is a made in India brand. So again, it's a very good thing about. Coming to our last product. Yes, we are at the last product. So it's Solimo fruit basket. So I want to keep my makeup in this. I want to have something in which I can organize my makeup.
It comes in a set of 3, that is pink. Set of 3, that is this is the small one, and this is the medium size, which is a flatter one, and this is a bigger one and has bigger borders. So yes, I can keep my makeups easily in this and organize them. And yes, they are pink in color, so that I can keep on my bookshelf, which I have shown you on my Flipkart haul. So if you haven't seen my Flipkart haul, I will put the tab here, go and check my Flipkart haul. And yes, that is what it is. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this haul. Everything I showed you are very cute and decorative, so I really like decorative products. And that's it for this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel. I post videos related to makeup, lifestyle hauls, as you have seen already, vlogs, and several fun food challenges. So if you are interested in any of the fun topics, just consider subscribing. And thank you for watching. Meet you on the next video, which will be uploaded on Wednesday. So I post one video on Sunday, one video on Wednesday. So yes, please do subscribe. And thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.